Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, welcome and feel free to subscribe. If you're new, kindly hit that like button and also subscribe. Remember to turn on the notification bell, and that's how you'll be able to support Claude Joseph officially and full time. Don't skip the ads. In terms of, if you're watching this video, kindly, I'm requesting you from the bottom of my heart, kindly don't skip the ad. It's a fine morning here in Monday, to be specific, and the day is like morning. Don't worry, guys, about we are washing utensils on the other side, so don't worry about the noise. Just very sad for that. Sorry for that. So it's a fine morning over here, and I want to say happy new week in a happy new month to everyone over here. May God bless you abundantly for this new month that we are in. And of course, I was having my breakfast over here. I was having githeri. Githeri is a mixture of beans, like these beans, and what we call like maize. So when you combine this way, you make githeri. Githeri, and also tea. I was having milk tea. We made with soya and a little sugar from there. So this morning today, guys, I want to be taking you around my village, and also I want to be giving you a quick tour about my village. From here, I want to take you also to my land. I want to go show you the progress about how my land is, and through that also I'll be joined by my wife Minhawi. We'll be moving around, and also I want to just be giving a quick tour about maybe how new projects in the village, and that will be really great. Maybe paying a visit to some of my fellow content creators who maybe have projects in the village, so that I can say hi, and also that's a form of maybe supporting them, to see them that they're not so lonely. So pay much attention, your village boy here, Claude Joseph, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video today. And I'm doing this video, or shooting this video, from our bulletproof house. Incomplete bulletproof house. Why did I call it bulletproof house? Please watch my previous videos when I was constructing this home, or this house, and you know why I call it a bulletproof house. There's people who used to say, Claude, you know, a mud house, once it's smeared well, plastered, it's regarded as a bulletproof house. So don't come for me and say, Claude, hey, Claude, yo. So, but we usually call it a bulletproof house, the only bulletproof house in the village, and that's it, guys. So let's dig in. Let me have my breakfast over here. As I told you, it's beans mixed with maize, and also tea, soya tea, and very nice and great. So from here, I'll be giving you a quick tour of the other side. You wanna say hi, man?
Hi guys.
Guys, here we are with Minhawi.
Yeah.
Guys, before I show you, we were having this. It's a lot of it, and when you have this with avocado,
It slaps different.
It slaps different.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Guys, my name is Minhawi. I don't know if you know me or if you've seen me on this channel, but in case you haven't, my name is Minhawi. Road to 10,000 subscribers. Kindly subscribe, like, and share my videos. Also, subscribe to Claude's video.
Are you happy being back?
Channel, sorry. Yeah.
Are you happy being back home?
Yes, I'm very happy. At least now we have many people, and at least now it's not lonely as it was. It's not lonely as it was.
The other time you were so lonely.
Yeah.
You're so lonely. I'm on my own. Lonely. I'm so lonely. Those days back, guys, like let me say 1 year back, I used to be so lonely in this house. Very lonely. Even my brothers, these was to go to school. My sister used to go to school. Nobody used to be here. My grandma used to, by that time she was very strong and energetic. She used to go in the shamba, work for herself. So when I'm back home, very lonely. I could be locked in my small bedroom over there, just after work, and I just chill myself in here. Maybe in the evening time I can go visit my friends, and I never had this habit of maybe going to people's home every day. If I visit to your home today, hey my friend, maybe we can meet another place. So but I thank God for the gift of life. until now when I am here. No more lonely. I used to be lonely. You should sing like, how does Akon sing? I woke up from the middle of the night.
I woke up in the middle of the night and I found that my girl wasn't by my side. Could have sworn I was dreaming. For her, I was.
Now sing it in the song, okay? I woke up in the middle of the night and I came to.
My girl wasn't by my side. Could have sworn I was dreaming. For her, I was feeling. So I had to take a little ride. Something like that.
I thought that I was just trying to dream. I know since my girl left me. I don't know when crashing down. I'm so lonely, so lonely. I'm so lonely. I have nobody. I'm on my own. Lonely. I'm so lonely. I have nobody. I'm on my own. Now CJ was Mr. Lonely, but nowadays
Nowadays you're not.
I'm not lonely. Okay. I'm with this beautiful lady over here, and very, very great. I'm so much happy also to be with her around. And yeah, are you ready? We wanna go out, just like
Yes, we should.
to go and see our.
I haven't done a video in like 4 or 5 days.
Why?
Oh
yeah, you should be. You're not feeling well. Yeah. But how are you feeling by now, right?
Well, I'm feeling better. Hopefully today I'll be able to do a video.
Yes.
I've even forgotten how to record myself.
Don't worry. Okay, use this. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, guys. Kindly bear with me. Blah 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 blah. Hopefully I'll get back.
You tell people blah 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 blah. Yeah. All right. Enjoy.
All right.
Guys, please subscribe to her YouTube channel. Her name is Howie, and also I'm here with my young brother, Manu Claude. Introduce yourself. Hi, Manu Claude. Come on. I know the flu.
Yes. What's up, guys?
The cough.
Welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. This one is there. Please subscribe there. Like, share, leave us a comment. My name is Claude. Please go and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to
louder, 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 louder. You can be louder and say louder, louder. Shout the way I usually leave you out and you say, hey, loud, you've been called out here. Mama is calling you. Shout.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. If you're new there, please subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. My name is Claude. Please, I'm road to 1K subscribers and my brother is road to 30K subscribers. Please reach him there and me.
Yes, guys, kindly. He's our young brother. They just closed school recently. Not even, it's just less than a week. They closed school the other day, and he is actually back home. And kindly, guys, show him a support by subscribing to his YouTube channel, and let's make him to 1K subscribers. You know, the moment he's at 1K subscribers and he's monetized, actually I'll feed free sometimes, because when he now be using his own money a little bit to make his own stuffs, you know, I'll be a little bit relieved from some stuffs. Oh, buy me this, buy me this. Now it'll be like, oh, my YouTube channel is paying a little bit, so maybe I can do only school fee, but the rest, maybe shopping for himself, he'll be like, bro, relax for now. So kindly, guys, help me help me make him to get 1K subscribers by subscribing to his YouTube channel at Manu Claude. Manu is MANU and then Claude as CLAUDE. I appreciate your love and support. And also my sister is doing, I don't know what she's doing inside here in the kitchen. Here's our kitchen, our chicken. Felista. Yes. Carol Cloud. I told you guys this is my firstborn. She's my firstborn daughter. What are you cooking?
I'm preparing some tea.
You're preparing tea, black tea.
Yeah.
Yes, this is black tea. And also she's making what we call like also warming the githeri. Warming the githeri. So please kindly guys, you know, here in the village sometimes we take heavy breakfast and sometimes we skip lunch. Hey, you are so tall. So I'm the only person who sometimes uses the stool to just go up. And the kitchen is well arranged. Look, guys, there's some glasses over there. We have some aluminium foil to just cover some stuffs. We have this one to cover maybe fruits and other stuffs there. This life, thank you God, in a madhouse. So introduce yourself, sister, for the new subscribers who don't know you, who think who you are. You know, guys. What are you doing?
Oh,
it's morning
guys,
time.
welcome back to Claude Joseph's channel. Welcome back to our village. Yeah, we are in his mud house. But right now, if you could look at this house, it's not the mud house.
Yeah?
It's not the mud house. Yeah. For those who doesn't know me, I'm Carol Claudia, a sister to Claude Joseph. Kindly subscribe to his channel, like, share, and leave a nice comment.
Absolutely, guys.
Yeah.
Soon she's finishing school and she'll venture into content creation. The reason why I never tried to venture her earlier on content creation, with some little things that there's some little tension actually between YouTube, maybe somehow family and other stuff. So I was like, let her finish school first and I'll be done with this. So let's see what's going to happen. My young brother here, let me see who's ringing. Oh my god. Okay, let me see. Hello? Yeah, so that's what happened. So I was like, no, let me keep her off. But for now, she's finishing school. Let's hope for the best. All right, let me say hi to grandma. And I want to see what's happening. You? Why you? I want to see granny. Grandma with America. America for granny. Yeah. Hi.
Niko.
How are you? You good? Yeah, she's eating, guys, so let me not disturb her. She's just waiting. But that's how she is. She's really great. It's fine morning over here. These are the peppers. And also I'm complaining. Don't feel like Claude, why are you complaining every day? Imagine, guys, a friend of mine came some days back and was like, Claude, help me with your covers so that I wanna go use it to cover my bricks. My cover was very new, very new, and you see it came back this way when I was not around. I was in Mombasa, and when I told him that I'm making some bricks, I told him, please, can you bring back my cover? Look, guys, for sure I'll stop being nice to people nowadays. If you hear Claude, maybe somebody came and complained, hey guys, I went to Claude and he denied me doing this. Please, guys, know that it's enough now. You know, it's going to be enough, and enough is going to be enough. Imagine me, I help somebody, a cover like this. I bought money, it was very new, and he brought it back tattered. Look, guys, tattered, with a lot of holes that you cannot even cover your bricks with, you know. So kindly advise me, should I be so selfish to my staffs to keep them safe, or give them away so that they can be damaged? This time round, hey, they'll be laughing and say, Claude, yeah, have you changed? You know, the moment you say no, the moment you learn to say no, they say, oh, you have changed nowadays, you're not this guy who you used to be, you are blah blah blah. But this time round, I'm going to change, not in a bad way, but in a good way, to just secure my staffs. Another day I helped somebody my wheelbarrow, it came back, it doesn't have a leg, and he brought it, just a neighbor from this side, they brought it and dumped it here. So the moment when I was starting to construct Mugendi's house, I realized that the wheelbarrow I gave out has no one leg, it's not moving. I kept quiet. Now for now, hey, but it's about challenges, part of life. But please advise me. I learned to say no to keep my staff safe, or give them out to be damaged. My brother Manu, hey, Manu Claude brought some small dogs here, and I don't know which is the door, which is where, and he built a kennel here. Manu, oh Jesus Christ, he built a kennel. Mlango kwa wapi mra? Uno mlango. So, come show us your project. Hey, yeah? No, bring them the other one, so that they can be on the sun here. There's Manu Claude.
Close for them.
Why? Oh, okay. And also bring what we call like Manu Claude has the best dog here. Aggressive one, huh? So I think you have to bring what we call like make them free. Don't put them a chain on, you know. Tell them big. There are two.
Yes.
Oh, so a time like now you bring them on the sun this way, so they come on the sun, so that they can enjoy the sun, and then you start them in. You know, they usually say if you
Outside.
Mhm.
Decided to lock
Look how it is. Huh? They always say that if you put a dog inside the kennel like this, where it's not seeing anybody, they become very fierce and aggressive. But the moment you leave them this way, that everybody is seeing them, they become just like nothing. You have nothing security. Yeah, so they'll be so friendly to people. But the moment you keep them inside there, hey, they become very fierce, and nobody can come here. So you see, like now they're enjoying the sun. Huh? Huh? What is the name of this?
I waited for you to come.
Tusker. We have Tusker, and then we have Tusker. Look like this, eh? It's like a lion. Look. Lion and Matata. We have Matata and lion. Lion Tusker Matata. 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 Hey. Tusker Matata is running. So this will be Matata. If you open this Matata anytime, it will be Tusker. It's called Tusker Matata. So our Tusker Matata is there. The lion is just quiet. So the moment you trigger it, it will just come for you. Alright guys, so let's just share with you our home. And grandma, she's eating, she's finished. Let us wait her to finish eating. Of course our motorbike is here. Around here. And that's how we'll do. That's how we'll be enjoying. This is our soursop over here. Home, sweet home. So let's be moving. Let's keep on moving and we see. Okay. Sika na buruda. Filipino. America. Sika na buruda. Sika na buruda. Hey. Say good morning, guys. Now
Good
she's
morning,
full.
guys.
Yes, how are you?
How are you?
Subscribe,
Subscribe,
like,
like,
share.
share.
I love you guys. All right, guys. Hiya, bye.
Gaya.
Hiya. Dance basi. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Kanguru ni yenu.
Kangaroo.
Kanguru kuya.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Alright guys, whenever I want to go home, somewhere, I'll just have to disturb baby a little bit and then we go. Alright. Let's go, guys. Yeah, so guys, we are heading somewhere, and after that we'll be heading to our land so that we can see and view how everything is around. Yeah, this was our former engineer, Edmond Akuana. Yeah, that was our former. We used to work together. He used to be a mason and used to be his handman. So Minhawi, how are you? Let's head there and see where we are going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it rained yesterday, guys. You can see some water down here. I hope it's not muddy all the way.
Might be.
Like this. Yeah, guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Me and Howie and Claude here. We're heading to our farm. So yeah, it's a busy morning. Very, very busy morning. But that doesn't stop us from working.
Absolutely.
Look at this beautiful place. I love this place.
This place,
Yeah, normally it's very beautiful.
you don't fear the
I
rain.
know it's
The
scary, but
sleepy.
I like the shade.
It's very sleepy, but you fear when I'm a driver. I drive.
Right?
Drive you. I can not only driving, but I can also ride.
What do you ride?
Mosquito. Mosquito.
You like ride mosquitoes?
Yeah.
Good for you guys, ride mosquitoes as well.
I always ride mosquitoes too. So let's see you guys on our land. This place is developed. It used to be a lot of forest here. The owner, maybe the owner is not around.
They have overdrive.
Yeah. This place used to be a lot of trees here. Hyenas used to be this place, but nowadays look, people have built, people have bought land over here. You know, development all over. So let's head, guys. We see.
Yeah, this guy is a very happy man. But I'll tell you in future why.
I'm always happy.
No, today is extremely happy.
I'm very happy.
I will tell you in future why. A few days, no, in several days. I'll tell you why he's happy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Let's go and see.
Out there.
Huh?
Are you sure the person you're looking for is here today? I doubt.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, they've made it clear. It's very clean.
Oh
I don't
guys.
feel like a lighting because I don't want to go to the sun, guys.
The padlock, guys, because the other padlock was giving a hectic time to unlock it. But this one, oh yeah, my gate.
Your GoPro is broken. Oh my god, it has a lot of dents.
It's part of life. You know, this is the first Hero 11 GoPro in this village. I've been using it in several years, so it's okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Village Life 101.
101.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, the padlock is not blocking. Okay. Welcome, welcome. What? You don't? You okay?
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. So of course me, when I normally come here, I'm normally looking for a seat. Anyway, let's go down.
Welcome to our dreamland.
You know, right now I can come and make up an artificial bed here and sleep here.
I think soon I'll make a store here, small store.
Uh-huh.
Maybe metallic store.
Mm-hmm.
Little metallic, iron store, a small
So,
iron
and a
store
small bed.
and a small bed.
So when you're tired, you can come and sleep
Sometimes I can come here and sneak sleep when I'm tired.
here. Uh-huh.
But I'm so much happy on this. You see people washing the river. Oh, the river is just over here.
I know.
People are washing there. I don't know if you can see them, guys. And our dreamland is just going here, actually near the river. Very, very. Even time, I think when we'll be constructing here, there will be no any disturbance of maybe water. Just having a machine tapping water from there to this point
Yeah.
and to this point.
So there's no need of employing people to
Oh, it will be because at the first moment before.
Draw water.
Yeah, maybe for the first time, you know. Oh my God, we have our bench here. I used to fear sitting here.
But there was a snake. It was killed though.
It was killed though, but for now it's okay. And now I can stand here. Oh, okay.
Strong enough?
Yeah, so not much strong, but it's strong enough for Claude to stand. So, see our land still over there. So see the river?
Yeah.
The river is just zero here, just zero distance. So you can tap water from there to this area over here. So, guys, I just see there's a woman there. I was just waving to her.
She's not seeing.
She's not seeing. From here now you'll be seeing sitting up to the other end. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What?
I'm just having like this seat of it. Like if I would be having here, maybe suppose we have a house there facing downwards to this beautiful canopy, green trees. And when you're standing here, you can be able to see Maru. Also, Gitiriba is there. Oh, there's still construction Gitiriba, Mayuguno, Maru. It's very nice. So I just came to share with you how everything is. There was maize here, but for now you can't see maize because now it has been cleared and now it looks clean. And hope now I'll just start planting now trees, maybe some straight trees, because now I'm looking for the plan of the house. Then we'll be having some great, and also we have some, I'm trying to bring some materials.
They'll bring a lot of shade here along this stretch.
This one?
This stretch will bring a lot of shade along.
But the good thing is we'll plant our own trees because these are neighbors' tree.
Yeah, we've been saying we're planting. I think we need to act on it, right?
No, you know now you cannot start planting trees anyhow before you see the plan of the house.
No, like outside the fence, you can have something like this.
And you know, first of all, you have to also counter check. Maybe one day the neighbor can say, over there, can say, or she can say, please, let me extend maybe some few meters from here. You know,
So you can't, but then we can't wait until that time. You know, we can start doing.
Yeah, we can start
our
doing.
own thing.
Absolutely. But let's wait and see. And also, it's not any trees that you just now start planting because it's a tree.
Yeah.
We plant trees that are okay, like, you know, we can just start by planting like these Italian, they call Italian cypresses, or they're called bullet cypresses. Like, very nice. They just, when they grow big, oh my God, they give you a very nice and beautiful shade.
And it looks beautiful.
You know me, mostly when I come here, I find peace. If you have never known that. The moment I'm on this land, and whenever I sit here, I sit this way, I'm like, oh my God, I wish I could have taken even that my small bulletproof house and put it in between here. I'm done.
It's a very beautiful place and
Very
peaceful place.
Peaceful. Like, at least we have, like, it's not that much compatible, like, with
It's not congested.
congested with a lot of maybe neighbors. It's a free zone. You know, then our first neighbor is there. Second one, we have a third here. Another one is there. And it's just as free as you see. You know? If you put here your stuff, very, very nice. Quiet, cool. It's a blessings.
That's
Very
true.
much blessing. So guys, from here I just wanted to come and see the progress of this place, and also see how, because I just embraced someone who was cleaning this side, and also just try to see before I move from this, before I start my travels, I'll just try to counter check what's going on around, and also we can start planting maybe trees before. So soon it will be here. So from here maybe I'll be heading to the other place and I see what's going to happen. Actually, let me show them. There was some soursoups. There was some soursoups over here. There was some soursoups that we planted here long time ago when we bought this land. There was some soursoups here. So you see they are here. Oh man. So we have this soursoup. So some days to come, we will do what we call like replant them. Take them from there and replant them. And these bananas, my dad planted them here when we bought land. He said that maybe one day when we be having kids, or maybe when we be having construction here, and the bananas are big, masons can eat while constructing. And also over here he planted 3 bananas. We can say maybe 30 meters apart. 30 meters apart, 30 meters apart, 30 meters apart, or 30 feet apart. Also we have this other one here, and also a lot of hardcores, and still we're bringing more and more and more hardcores. So like here we left a gap also from this point to this point, like 2 feet aside from the boundaries. So the day we'll be planting a straight, as in a straight line, trees all the way through to that side, up all the way through to the other side. You see like over that area we have left a very big place. So maybe hey, uni hanonde kora baravande. Murawito ya hayo ta baba. Oh, tamute bigani tirana tusumante kidogo. So guys, I was talking to the neighbor. So the neighbor is just there. There's our neighbor, and also from here, oh man, the fence just, oh man. So actually over here, the way you see, there's a lot of people here just do cultivation. There's a guy there with a lot of kales. There's a guy there with a lot of sugar cane. We have a guy here with a lot of bananas, and also the trees, which is very great. Maybe some days our house can be here. Let me know. Maybe it can be around here, over here. Maybe, let me say, a house being here, it can face downwards, and the other way we can leave it the way it is, as big as the way it is. Just an idea. But we have a very big, maybe here I can just build a small gazebo, a small raised gazebo. You can sit and enjoy the other way around on the other side. Just some ideas. So before that, Claude, relax. Relax, Claude. Claude, tulia. Find a plan for everything. Do whatever you want to do. Make it well. Plan and execute them. Take your time. Alright. Let's go. Wow. Plant your own language. So guys, we're moving here because I came to check how everything is. Maybe if this guy, maybe if they've trespassed, brought the animals in here. And our neighbor has a very big tree of language over here. Yes, I mean, how is like, I need that language here to eat. Plant your own language. So me, I brought some soursoups and they're already there, you know. So, and also over this side, animals love this. But when I just bring here to plant, I'll just make a small area where I'll just start doing goats rearing, because here neighbors, most of the neighbors here are very far away from, compared to where I am staying at my parental home, where whenever I just leave the goats by the roadside, they feed them nylon peppers for salt, the queso, so the goat can't grow. It dies instantly. Maybe like after some few weeks they die. They start becoming thin. Is it thick or thin? And then you think maybe when you give them medicine, you bring a vet, the vet gives them medicine, and you know there's always they don't see what's it until you feel like, let me slaughter this goat. So when you slaughter, you find maybe it has eaten a lot of stuff like nylon things. So here it'll be very free, to be a free range. Maybe putting some small area here for the animals, maybe like goats, they can eat around. And then also maybe some days you have the other side, maybe you plant napier grass, they cut, they bring inside. It's okay. So let me close and we see where we're heading late again also. Okay. Yay! Yo. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I told you I wanna just move around the village just to see what's happening, and also to appreciate the gift of YouTube that has really done us over here. So I'll be heading to Niko Buddha's place just to go check how he's faring on. He used to be one of the guys that actually used to be so nice, and also still he's nice and humble. So also, it's not my first time to pay a visit to his place, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, maybe traveling and other stuff. But today let me just go see how he has progressed, and also to just motivate or get inspired too. So let's see. So guys, I just arrived to this place and I'm very marveled. I'm like, oh my god, what's up, man? The last time I came here, I visited here, it was a lot of bricks and blocks over here and a lot of sand and ballast. But for now, whatever I'm seeing here, I'm very much. And also we are here with the engineer himself. How are you, man?
I'm fine.
You great?
Yeah.
How is everything?
Good.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah. So guys, my name is Niko Buddha.
Yes.
Virginia boy, a
Yes.
boy from Shamba.
Yes.
My YouTube channel, Niko_Buddha.
Yes.
Yes. So welcome, my friend.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
bro.
this is a second day.
Oh, yeah, this is my second day visiting here.
Yeah.
The last time I came here, it was only foundation.
Yeah, the only
Foundation,
and,
yeah.
Bricks.
Yeah, bricks, yeah.
Sandy and
Yeah, for sure.
And now,
I'm so like Marvel. I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah.
You know, actually the foundation was like, it was used to be like a small house.
yes.
But now whatever I'm seeing is like very huge and massive, bro.
It's a big.
Congratulations, man.
Thank
A good hand, man.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Very. I see also the Porsche.
Yeah.
Hey, man. You know, I thought it's only like something this way.
Yeah.
But for now, I'm so surprised.
Yeah.
Wow,
It's
man.
taking shape.
So this is the outside Porsche.
Yeah, this outside part.
Yes.
And here, this is someone when you need to chilling.
Oh, a resting area.
Yes.
Wow, man.
Yeah.
Guys, last time when we were here, it was only just foundation, and he showed me a little bit of the what we call like the plan. I was like,
Yeah.
it seems like a small house, but I'm so shocked like how big it is and how amazing it is actually.
True.
This style is very great, very great and amazing, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Niko Buddha. So guys, last time that you were when we were here, actually it was like just simple things, but for now here it looks like it's now a home. Not looks like, but it's now a home.
Yeah, it's now.
The moment you have this over here,
Yeah.
ah man, it's so nice.
Yeah.
See, let's continue and see, because there are some also masons working over here.
Today is Mason.
It's Masons Day.
Yes.
Oh,
he's
okay,
working here.
they are still working.
Maybe today's can be our last day.
Oh, their last day.
For building bricks.
Okay.
To finish, and after today,
Yes.
now we go to talking about roofing.
About roofing,
Yeah.
putting grills, doors.
Yeah.
Ah man, this is very great and big.
Yeah.
I'm so much inspired. How do you feel yourself, like maybe few years back and now? How do you see
It's
yourself?
not. It's just only a month. It's not years.
It's not even years, right?
It's a month.
It's a month.
Yes. So these are things which I say God is good. all
Yeah,
the
for
time.
sure.
Yeah, first God is good,
Yes.
and also our people
Yeah,
who support us is good.
for sure.
Because without our people, something like this
Won't
maybe
happen.
don't happen. You
Yeah,
can
for
see here
sure.
on the trees.
Trees, yeah.
So
for sure.
now we can see here a big house.
big
and,
house, yeah.
This is from our subscribe. And,
Wow, man.
make me, before I work like a
Mason, yeah. For
Yes.
handman, also mason.
A handyman
Yeah.
or mason.
Yeah.
So you
I
don't say
remember
that
that.
I collect money from mason to
Yeah, to
building
build
something
this there,
like
for sure.
so it's not easy.
Yeah.
So because of our lovely people,
Yes.
now we can see we are here and we are continue to
Yeah.
work with this place.
Yeah,
And these are things which and me I thanks God.
yeah, for
And,
sure.
these are things which make me sometimes I don't believe it's me.
Yeah, it's
sometimes.
But one thing I like about you, like it's like since the first day I knew you, I knew who Niko Buddha is.
Yes.
Until now, he's still Niko Buddha. You know, some people maybe get money,
Yeah.
and they really change. Like even they don't want to talk to people, but
Yes.
you are still humble. You are still
Yes,
Niko Buddha. I knew.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
From maybe I say from it's first day when I come maybe to meet with the people, a friend with
Yeah.
the street
Yeah.
from my village there.
Yeah.
I go to work and me I save some money
Yeah.
to help my mother to building home there
Yeah, for
before.
sure, for sure.
And then now I maintain my room to
Your
say
room, yeah.
yes, and that's why people like Mayugno, when you come there,
Yeah.
you need to live with me, and I say,
Oh,
"Ah,
yeah,
my
for
brother."
sure.
And a lot of people say,
Yeah.
"Niko Buddha,
Why can't you change?
Yes, why Mayugno is live to your room? And then me I say, we don't know tomorrow.
Yeah,
Maybe
for
Mayugno tomorrow,
Yeah,
he can be a better person
for sure.
than
Yeah, guys. Actually, when I met Niko Buddha, when Mayuguna and Niko Buddha came to my place when I actually came from Nepal, they paid a visit.
Yeah.
And Mayuguna told me like this guy used to pay a room, like where he was staying maybe in the other side of Tanzania. Like some people used to say like, because Mayuguna used to have nothing but those days. And he used to host Mayuguna actually. He used to host Mayuguna to his room. So other friends could tell this guy like, why are you hosting this big man? Why can't he go find his own place? But this guy said, no, you know, you do not know what tomorrow is. So let me kindly help him stay with me over here until when the day that he'll get his own space, he'll get out. And who is God? Nowadays Mayuguna is up. And now see, this guy also is here. And he say like, still by the grace of God, man.
Yes, that's why, and me, I like a lot of, you know, sometimes I ask myself, why, you know, in here village, a lot of YouTuber, maybe sometimes when I chill, I say, why me, YouTuber is not come for this TV?
For sure, sometimes,
I say, hey, even me, I don't big money in here village,
for sure.
So that's why. Maybe when I be on my Ugno before, I see a lot of
YouTubers coming there up and down.
Celebrate and so this one make why sometimes I be here alone. When you come here and you are feel happy,
very happy. Even me,
crowd is remember me
for sure. For sure. Like you know, like me, I could be paying here every single day because I'm busy traveling on the other side. Sometimes I'm busy on the other stuff, but. When I'm free, I feel like sometimes even I come here when you're not around, I'm being told, oh, Claude was here. So me, only one thing is like I love to create peace, and I love to pay visits to everybody. It's like him, he's building now. I pay a visit, and I go to Royal Kim. For now, like even now here from here, I'll be heading to Bitiriba. Before maybe sometimes when I get out of the village, I'll go and
some people miss the village.
For sure. So
you know, this is a good day.
Man.
We need to live like a brother.
For sure. You
can visit me and when I get a time, I can visit you. So to maintain a friendship.
For sure, guys. Please, guys. This is Niko Buddha, and he's now building a very big. How many rooms?
This let me show you.
Let's go and have a tour, guys.
3-bedroom.
Oh, a 3-bedroom house.
And
dining. Oh, so this is the living area, like
this living area.
Okay, and there is the dining.
This dining.
Wow.
And, also, as you can see, before when people come here, the foundation.
Oh,
this is maybe a dining. Don't understand, but as you can see, they are taking shape. Kitchen.
Wow, guys, it's a dining, a living room, and also
kitchen.
And a kitchen.
Yes.
Wow.
This planned to be an open kitchen.
Oh,
that's why I come
to remove this. You'll cut it.
I cut here.
Okay.
To be a big
open kitchen.
Kitchen.
Very nice and great, bro.
Yes,
Congratulations.
Already we have make our store.
Oh.
And then we are continue to save our material inside, like water.
Oh man! Already we have a store here already, guys.
Yes.
Man, congratulations. Even somebody can stay here.
Yes.
You know.
Somebody can.
It's a room. It's a big room already.
Plan when I remove my timber here.
Yes.
I come to put here.
Yes.
Sometimes I can stay here.
You can stay here to just
security.
Oh yeah, to see who is coming to take.
Yes.
Oh, is it? Let me ask you. Is it going to be a flat roof or like hidden roof?
No.
Oh,
This
the bigger one.
Can be roofing.
Oh, roofing, the bigger one. Congratulations, man. That's a very good idea, actually. Very nice. Wow. It looks very nice and big. The rooms are very spacious. Yes. So this is the corridor?
This corridor.
Yes.
And also this first room.
Oh, first room. Okay.
Yes. And,
wow.
Second room.
Okay. Over here.
Yes.
Second bedroom.
Yes.
And toilet.
This public toilet.
Okay.
Yes. For all.
For all.
Yes.
And now this is your room.
Yes. From here to here.
It's your room.
Yeah.
Oh, sijukategua fundi, I say. Oh, this is also a toilet for the inner room.
Yeah.
Oh man, very.
Master bedroom.
It's very big and massive, guys.
Yeah.
So from here you can see who is coming from outside, and you'll be like, man.
Under this place is a make a porch.
Oh, you make a porch also
for master bedroom.
For master bedroom.
Yes, because we plan to fix in this.
Yes.
We have on the plan.
Yes.
Here we can fix by using some
grills
steel,
or steel
grills to make here.
Okay.
So when you come there, you can take, you can chilling here. Maybe
Okay.
you can have.
So
here.
will you have a door here, or you'll be just going
With a
around
window, but
Oh,
the
wind.
window is start from down.
from down?
Yes, but
So you
here
can
I
pass by from the window.
yeah.
This guy.
Yes, start from down, so you can.
You can just push.
You can
okay.
push and
then
come here
and relax.
chilling.
Okay.
Yes, and you
okay.
can back
Oh,
to your room.
so the idea is this place will make it maybe you'll have some grills and maybe.
Yes. Here we can building some.
Oh no, I know the idea. Yeah.
Yes.
So
And, here you can fix some grills.
some grills.
Yes, because of making protection.
Oh,
You know,
protection,
this
yeah.
we don't see here make
Yeah, security. Yeah.
Grill.
So it will be void, glass only.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's very, very, very great, man. It's very, very nice and very, very great,
Yes,
guys.
it's
let's- Slowly, actually.
Yes,
No
sir.
pressure.
No pressure.
No pressure, no hurry.
Yes, when
slowly,
you get,
slowly.
you can.
Yeah,
use
actually.
even $1, you can.
Two gold.
Yeah, one bag of cement.
Yes.
We can put.
Absolutely.
Yes, you can save. End of the day, we are be here.
Absolutely.
Yes. Yeah.
Guys, this is Niko Buddha. Some days, I'm telling you, like some months ago, he used to be a handyman.
Yeah.
And for now, as you see, he has given us a tour of his house, which is a very, very great house. And absolutely is going to be one of the most unique houses we have here in our village.
Yeah.
And please help me support my brother here, Niko Buddha.
Yeah.
Subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And like, share, leave a sweet comment. And also, guys, you can also push me to 30,000 subscribers.
Yeah,
right away
yeah,
to
yeah,
30,000 subscribers.
Yeah, thank
Yeah, man. So be blessed and thank you, man, for allowing me to be in your space.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
See me again.
Absolutely, man.
Yes, thank you.
So from here, guys, we'll be sharing with you where we're heading, and this is it. Actually, you see, for now, I found here there was a lot of bricks, but I've seen the good work that they have done from here. So you can. Oh wow, man, very, very, very great. All right, guys, let's see, and we proceed from this side. Please help my brother here by subscribing to YouTube channel at Niko Buddha.
Yes.
So let's head. As you said, as he has said from his mouth, you have heard his story. So maybe some days before, maybe I really travel out to the village, wanna come and also chill around here. He always say that he's lonely over here. Please, guys, come support him here. Come visit him here. You know.
Yes.
And that's how brotherhood grows over here. So thank you, man. And let's see.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So I'm just done with just visiting my brother over here, Niko Buddha, and now I'm heading back. So let me just go down and I see where I'm heading back to. Maybe I should visit Githeriba a little bit. I check on him too, and then we see. All right. Guys, I just arrived here and I'm at Githeriba's place, guys. I told you like I'm moving around, so just a few just to come say hi. And he said no, you cannot go without maybe even saying hi to me on camera. So I was like, okay, it's fine. But hopefully tomorrow we have a very special video with also the boss. He was here, but can't wait to introduce to you this great man.
My brother.
Hey, fellow rider.
Gravity. Nowadays you are shining, bro. You know you have money.
Yeah? No, I don't have money.
You have money. Look at the shirt. Yeah?
Always Githeriba.
Look at mine. Like the second
Githeriba,
hand. You know mine is second hand.
This is not second hand.
Yeah, but for yours, special.
You know, this is second hand. Just
Okay.
just part of life.
How was everything, bro?
Everything is nice.
I see your life is going well, bro.
I can't complain.
You are changing the
skin
color.
You
Yes,
know when I'm
what's
in
up
love.
guys? What's up guys? Welcome back again to Claude Joseph.
Yes.
My name is Githeriba.
Yes.
Guys, I am at my home here.
Yeah, for sure.
So welcome. First of all, bro, welcome.
Welcome.
Yes.
Hey, you have changed.
You're
eh?
the first time. Oh,
Very first time
this
visiting your
clothes
place.
is a second hand, bro.
Ah.
Look. I have the slippers, you know.
Who don't
Slippers.
have the slip?
This one is not slippers, bro.
Remember? The
No.
riders.
Yes.
Because you know, used to be riding both motorbikes.
How's
Yeah.
everything?
Everything is fine.
Yes,
I just decided like let me now come from the other side
exactly.
to just come and say hi because I've
By
been
the way.
always very far away from the village.
Yes.
But now I'm back and
Yeah.
I was like, I can't just hold myself inside the house too much.
Exactly.
Let me just come and say hi to
long time,
long
bro,
time,
actually.
brother. Long time,
Yes.
actually. It's
Yeah.
by God's grace. And congratulations, I'm saying.
Thank you, bro.
Congratulations.
I appreciate.
Congratulations for your
my
land.
people, and
Uh-huh.
I thanks God.
Yes.
for helping me.
Yes.
And thanks God for giving me energy.
Wow, man.
Welcome to my home.
Yes.
This is my home, bro.
Guys,
Even you see, my home started from over there.
over there,
Yeah,
I
my
saw
land started from over there.
from here, guys.
Then we can go there
You can
because-
you can see. Actually, some few days
Yes.
back, not even few days. Let me say like months.
Yes.
Kitriba used to be a border rider here,
Actually,
and from there he used to be very
Yeah.
calm. And up to today, he's very calm and humble. And we used to do some same riding because of Mara over here with him, and I'm so much happy for him. Like now he's owning his own place, and he's building his crib, and he's like, man, congratulations,
in
yeah.
this life,
Yes.
be patient, bro.
Absolutely.
Yes, be
Yeah,
patient.
be
So,
patient, yeah.
actually, bro, this is my land.
Yes.
I know it's the first time to reach.
Yeah, it's the first time to step on this
Yes.
land because
Yes.
when we were here there was maize,
Yes.
and I was just told, you know, Gitrib about land there, and I was not really. So because we have been commuting down here to the villa,
Yes.
and the good thing is now you are in the middle, you know, the
Yeah,
vessel in the middle of the
I am,
villa.
I am the one YouTuber I am
In the middle.
with the Maro close like
Like
one.
this,
Because from my home to Ayamaro is
Down.
like 40 meters.
Not even 40 meters, less than that, guys. Just like
30 meters.
30 meters, yeah. Just less. You see the tank is just here.
Yeah, tank is just here. The gate is over there.
As even we talk right now, they can
Yes.
they hear us from down there.
Yeah.
And also Claude is just over there.
Another side.
Another side over
Yes.
there. You cross the
You
river
cross the river
to the other
so
side.
Another side.
Yeah, and also
But it's not far.
It's not very.
You
very
can
far.
I can call you with the
With the
through
mode,
mouth.
yeah, from here. Claude, come to it. And you just wave
Yes.
this way.
I just wait like this one.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So Gitriba, congratulations, man.
Thank you,
We
bro.
give
I
thanks for
appreciate
this, and we
Yes.
give thanks actually to each and every person who
All
tend
right.
to watch our videos,
Yes.
and much thanks to Almighty God for the great hand that He has showered to us and He has given unto us. And how are you now? Like, you know,
Yeah, bro.
the time you were like,
I am
from
good.
this- Yes.
I am feeling fantastic. That's why I say that, because guys, through you guys,
Yes.
you taking me another step. guys.
Absolutely.
Yes, I remember my boss Amar told me, you know now you are the boss. Let me tell you something, bro. You know,
Yeah.
even you are a 0 point.
Yeah, for sure.
Then somebody can call you boss.
Yeah.
It's
And
very hard.
It's very,
bro.
very hard.
Very,
actually.
very
very hard.
Yeah. So actually, bro, welcome.
Yes.
So my land is started from here.
From there,
The flower.
Yes.
Amazing flower.
there's some flowers over here, guys. You
That
see?
one. That one. Yeah.
Over here, it goes all the way to the other sand. You see there?
And from down there.
Down there. The bananas, you see there?
And it's going to the
Other side.
the tallest trees.
Tallest trees.
And you go.
All the way where we are heading now. And how do you see yourself maybe from the time you started up to now? You feel
Bro,
something in you like now I'm the boss of this?
I don't believe, man. I don't know what can I say, bro. Actually, I don't believe. Me, I really appreciate my
Yes.
people, and I really appreciate Team Maro,
Yes.
and I really appreciate our fans
Absolutely.
for
the
support
great
us
support,
a
yeah.
lot.
Oh man.
Yeah.
I
And
also see there's a neighbor here, guys.
Yeah, I
It's
have a
Pasi.
neighbor here,
She used to make chapati.
Yes,
And now oh, this is for Pasi.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's called what?
bricks.
Bricks. It's
They're-
for passing.
Okay.
And that one, the barras is mine.
Yes.
Actually, I'm forgetting to show you. My
Oh.
material, yeah.
Let's see the retrievers materials over here. You know, first
Actually-
time. Yes.
Actually, I am putting the material.
Yes.
I am putting the barras here
Yes.
and the stone over there.
Okay. So these bricks are for Pasi.
This is for passing.
Oh, I wish I could have made a lot. You know me, I used to sell these bricks.
But you know this one. Oh,
Yeah,
But this land is mine.
Oh,
so
yeah,
Pasi
yeah.
told me but I can put here my material.
Oh yeah, that's
I
what
say
we
no
call
problem,
good
because-
neighbors now.
yes.
That's what we call like neighborhood.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, okay, like, oh please, can I put my materials here for a
I
little
say
bit?
No problem.
Yeah.
You can put anything you want.
Everything you want, yeah.
Yeah. So this is my material.
Oh, your materials.
The
Oh,
ballast.
have ballast
I
here.
have over there.
You poured ballast like normal business.
Yeah, I want to start in my construction.
Oh, your big
I want
construction
the
now. Yeah.
Big construction here.
Yes.
So that's why you see here you have a lot of ballast.
A lot of ballast.
But this one is not a lot, bro.
It's a lot.
6 cheaper.
It's 6 tippers.
Yes.
Wow, man.
And this one is very expensive.
Very, very expensive.
Yes.
Actually, ballast in Kenya, ballast, most of where we come from, ballast is very expensive compared to stones
Yes.
and sand.
And I have there sand.
Sand, okay.
And, another stone over
Another
there.
stones.
Yes,
Wow.
But even started the building.
Yes.
I'm going to add another.
Oh, more and more. Because if you have a dream to build maybe a 4-bedroom house or a 5-bedroom
dream-
house
My dream, I want to building 6 bedroom.
or 6-bedroom house.
Yes.
Now this will be like it will go like so you have to put more
I want
and
to
more
put
and more.
I want to building 6 bedroom because of my people.
Okay.
When my people came to visit us.
Yes.
You can get to the place.
You can have a place
sleep. You know.
Yes.
And that's why I want to building a big house.
Oh, for
Yes.
sure, man. That's
So
very
this is our sand here,
yes.
and another material from over there, the stone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, very very good. And actually, you are lucky because with me when I was buying land,
Yes.
I had a big tree like this.
Oh,
And they cut it down. When just I left, they
Yes.
cut the tree down.
Oh.
So make sure you don't cut this tree down. And
I
also I
like-
see it
me,
has
I like-
fruits.
me, I have the passion fruits here.
It has some passion
The
fruits.
kids, and I know this one is red.
Which one?
That one is red.
Oh, let's check. Wow. Just
But
harvest.
kids from this village.
Eh, They eat your passion fruits like normal business.
Yes.
Look, guys. Just typical village life. No, just a visited.
Passion fruit.
Just visit, and the tree has a lot of fruits over here. So the good thing is to protect it.
Yes.
Don't allow kids to.
Yes. So I want to squeeze my gate. You know, even my gate passing here,
Yeah.
everybody wants to.
Oh, to just go up the fruits.
So maybe you can direct my gate over there.
You know what Triva is saying? He doesn't want to put the gate here. The reason being, there's this big passion tree here. So the moment everybody just come in,
Yes.
the first thing they look up is about the passion tree. So he wants to divert the gate to be down there.
Yeah.
That's very, 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 very
So
good.
my brother, also I have the borehole over there.
Okay. Oh, already you have done. Okay, I saw it on the Maro's video.
Yeah.
Does it have a lot of water?
I have a lot of water.
Wow, man. That's why we say now blessings. You know that also like borehole is the one of the hardest thing. You can dig and dig.
Even you have the water from your side,
Yeah.
everything is going well.
Everything is going well.
Yes.
Basi, I see you. Hi. Nakuona. Yeah, so we are around here and saw that about the borehole. And also this is Pasi. She's building over here. Some days I'll just pass this way. I think tomorrow because today was here.
No problem.
Yeah. How is everything?
Everything's going good.
Yes.
Yeah.
How is life now?
Maybe now I have going to be changed.
Oh, has changed.
Yeah.
Look at the stone that cut you. Introduce yourself for the new subscribers who are watching you.
Yeah, guys. Thank you so much for hosting me to your channel.
Yes.
Yeah, it's Pass here, guys.
Yeah.
If you are not subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe.
Yes.
Watch my video. Have an amazing day, guys.
Yes.
Go and watch me. Just subscribe and leave a comment, guys.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we do a special video with Pasi because now
So
I'm
I
back.
am coming here to ask
Oh.
Boss Gitireba to assist me.
Oh, now the name has changed. Is Boss Gitiriva.
Yeah.
And also passing on that.
She's also a boss, boss lady.
Yeah.
Boss lady.
Now this is what we call good neighborhood.
Yes.
If
Yeah,
like
yeah.
now the Pasi has come to
Yeah,
ask for.
Yeah.
you can go to pass to help me something from
Yes,
there.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can come here to
Oh.
help him, to help her.
Wow. That's very, very, very great. Oh, Pasi, that's nice.
Unataka
That's what you call a good neighborhood. You know, just having this. So I'm so much happy to be around here, Gitiriba.
Yeah, bro.
And for the great
So,
work, man.
This is our progress going on.
Yes.
And when you see here already, I'm
Oh,
building
the store?
the storehouse.
Wow, man.
But I see I can cut somewhere you can stay,
Oh, we can stay in.
in.
Oh, like that for Mayugono.
Like
So,
the same Mayugono.
oh, okay.
So this is our store.
Wow, guys.
Already have here something here.
Oh, wow. So the store has some iron sheets.
Already have the pan,
The
machete, you know.
fan, you have the
This
spade.
is the security for night, guys. Yeah.
Oh,
This is our room. Not our room. This is our store.
Our store. Oh,
Yeah.
it's nice. This can accommodate more than
We have the
1,000.
amazing door here.
So I have a steel here.
Double store.
Double store.
Not this store.
Double door.
Yes.
Double door.
Yeah.
And a heavy.
Yeah, and I have here another room.
Oh, this one over
This
here.
is my room.
Okay.
I want to start my life.
Oh, already you have done it, like you have tiled it.
Already I'm putting the time, but not done.
Oh, okay.
So I'm remaining something you can put in here.
Oh, the skirting.
It's called the skirting around.
Oh, wow. Even wiring, man.
Even wiring, I'm putting the wiring. You see.
Oh,
Even gypsum.
Oh, wow, man.
Yeah, I'm putting the natural gypsum.
Natural gypsum.
Yeah.
Like this is like very, very nice.
Not natural, it's called unique.
Unique. And that's the River, guys, for you. And actually, one thing I like about this bigger and spacious. You can put a bed.
Yeah, you can put a bed, put a chair, one chair.
Sockets everywhere.
Socket everywhere. My boss man told me. Socket everywhere.
From
You
here.
know my boss man.
From it's all it's
Socket
like
everywhere.
if you
put it this way,
a
even you go this way,
Charger.
you can get the
charger.
yeah.
So you can charge here, you can charge there.
Everything.
Oh my.
But my planning of this room,
Yes.
maybe in the future,
Yes.
I can change to make this room is the working room.
Oh, working room.
Yes.
Okay, you can just after you have built your dream house. Now this can be a working room.
Yes. Can you come from there to sitting here?
Supervise
laptop,
everything.
you know?
Oh wow, very very nice and great, guys. We always say like we have dreams, and here's the dreams, you know. So congratulations for the good work. Only it's paint and
also
windows.
Here I remain to painting only. After painting, I am going to
Oh wow, paint windows,
paint and then
furnish. You're already in
glass,
there.
the glass, it's
Yeah.
called glass windows.
Yeah, the glass windows. Oh. So from here you'll be waking up and you see. Oh,
Yes.
how are you guys?
No. Here, this room is a stove.
Just for a stop.
So after building from there,
Yes.
even you wake up, you can see the view from over there to Ayamara, you know.
Oh wow, nice.
You know, from this angle,
Yes.
I don't have the view.
You don't have the
But
view.
from there to down there,
There's a
can
very
see
great
everything.
view. You can even see me from
you can see you.
You can see me
from up over there. You know?
over there. Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, very
So
very
also
great.
I have the septic tank.
Septic
over there.
tank. Oh, this is Mo Ibra.
Yeah.
I see you, man. How are you?
I'm fine.
Introduce yourself, bro. I cannot leave you here.
Guys, my name is Mo Ibra Tiles,
Yes.
the specialist for tilling tiles.
Okay.
For today,
Yes.
I'm here to get the labor side
yes.
to make sure I'm finishing the work.
Yes.
Yes, to make sure this house is started to looking good.
Good.
So guys, support my brother Claude Jose.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mo
Yes.
Ibra.
So you are my daddy.
Oh,
because
you're
my
welcome.
daddy is Jose.
Oh wow, guys.
Yeah.
He's saying that I'm his
Yes.
father because his father is Joseph. So I'm have a big son here, guys.
Yeah.
They got
Well, I'm adopting as my son.
Yes.
greeting Joseph Shikamo.
Yeah.
Shikamo dad.
Shikamo daddy. Yes.
And we say Yamaraba.
Yes.
Mo Ibra.
So guys,
Yes.
support my brother Claude Jose
Yes.
to load on
That-
4,000
yeah,
subscribe.
thank you so much, man.
because you make the good surprise.
Thank you so much,
my
Mo
brother.
Ibra.
Even me guys,
Yes.
I have the YouTube channel.
Yes.
Go supported more Ibra Tiles.
Absolutely, guys.
Help me to load on 2,000 subscribe
Wow,
guys.
guys. Let's make it happen.
Okay.
Thank you, Mo Ibra.
Thank
Good,
you,
the
my
good
brother.
work. Even me, some days when I'll be there,
Yes.
I'll just redeem inside for you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. All right, guys.
Also, I have the septic,
Oh.
but it's called a septic toilet. I don't know.
It's a septic tank, I think.
Septic
Maybe,
tank?
yeah, the one which is down.
But it's septic tank. You know, septic tank is for water.
Septic tank is for water, and this maybe you call it. Yeah, it's same thing. Septic. It's septic tank.
Septic.
Yeah, the one
So
which you.
this is my toilet from my side. So I
Okay.
want to building, but I want to be building this
Yes.
from up I can be building the toilet, out toilet,
Or outside toilet.
and from inside you can
Oh, okay.
call it septic.
So from down here,
Everything from our dream
house of our villa
Yeah.
to this side.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
So
our
that's why
plan.
it's very very big, guys.
Very big. 10 feet and then 12.
Oh, 10, 12.
10, 12.
This can accommodate here for years and years and years.
Years and years and
And years
and
and
years.
years and years. Man, congratulations, man. And this is the back area.
Yeah, this is the back area.
Okay. Wow, man. Ah, your space is very big and nice.
You can put here, can plant here the amazing
You can put here some trees and other stuff. Very, very great. The neighbor also is there.
The neighbor and then my neighbor, Jamaican uncle here.
Oh, Jamaican uncle is here, near here. Oh,
The run.
okay.
Jamaican uncle.
Yes. Ah, very, very great. If Jamaican uncle is here,
Yes.
very, very great.
Exactly.
Now we are here as a community, as a very,
Exactly.
very big community.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Gitiriva.
Welcome, bro.
I think I'm going to end this video with Ngutu.
Yes.
But with you here, I'm so much impressed
Yes,
about the good work, and
Yes.
also congratulations for the
Thank you.
good work you have, and congratulations also for the acquisition of the land,
Yes,
and also building up the house. So
I appreciate
be blessed all,
Thank
and
you.
guys, subscribe to Gitiriva. Is on the
Yes,
road
guys.
to 10,000 subscribers,
Yes.
and I really appreciate your love and support. Let me go check out about Ngutu so that you can also come and say something.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, man.
Karibu man.
Okay. We have here son of elephant, the man himself. Take to man can try.
Yeah, but a man can try.
A man can try. Long time, bro.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm around.
Yes.
I know you are a busy man.
Always.
1, 2, 3. But we are still in one location.
For sure.
Yeah. So family, beautiful family.
Yes.
All over the world.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I'm glad to join this space again.
Yes.
Greetings to you.
Yes.
I hope you are started a good week.
Absolutely.
And you too, the boss, you have started a good week.
Calling me boss, I'm not a boss yet.
Oh, that is.
But thank you for that. I'm embracing it.
You know, if somebody calls you a boss,
yes.
You know their names. People cannot just call you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. If you go in a spiritual way,
yes,
there is something somebody have seen in you that you have not seen.
Absolutely, for sure.
So, boss, that is it.
Good too. Okay, let's continue. Yes.
Yeah. So we are here to get the Rivers place.
Yes.
New
project here. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm also one of the top underman here, and I'm very.
Sorry, Mr. BT. Kaka, acha niko kwa Gitiriva na kupigia saa hizi tu kidogo. That was BT talking, guys. A little bit, okay? Nakuja tu dakika 0. Sorry guys, sorry for cutting you short.
No problem. I understand, and I have to obey your space.
Yeah, I have to receive Burundian traveler's phone because he called me right now. Yeah, so tech.
But a man can try.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the spirit, you know.
Yes.
Tech means it's hard, but a man
can try. Yeah.
Always men are fighter, even if it's hard.
Yeah, we always
they will have to try.
For sure.
Because if you don't try, who will try it for you?
Nobody will try. If you can't do it for yourself, nobody can do it for you. So it's you to always do it for yourself.
To fight on.
Absolutely.
No pain, no gain.
No gain.
Check me good to the widow road to claim 5,000. I will really appreciate.
Giving you 5,000 only.
Look at this guy. Our young boss in the village. Relax.
I'm surrounded here with the bosses.
Come will make a good thumbnail.
I'm surrounded here with good bosses.
Guys, imagine, good to say. You want flat 5,000 subscribers.
Flat, clean. 5,000 subscribers. So
maybe you can take it from this point because of.
I'll take this way and then I'll take the house and then I. Yeah. So guys, please help Ngutu to 5,000 clean 5,000.
5,000 I will only appreciate. Thank you. And if I'm surrounded with bosses like this, that means good company, good what?
Good company, good quality of staff.
Yeah, so absolutely. As you nurture me in this leadership of boss, maybe one day I know me and boss.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much, Ngutu, and be blessed always. And also, guys, I brought.
Welcome, Jomba.
Thank you so much. And
Jomba is mommy is uncle.
Uncle. So we always call each other uncle. Like mostly like. It's a joke word between we youths over here. We call each other uncle. So we call it mame.
Mame is uncle. And so, all Jomba. Jomba is Swahili, but mame is my language.
The language, in Kuria language. So be blessed always, guys, and thank you so much. Let's end this video here.
All right, guys.
We are heading to 30,000 subscribers, and also subscribe to each and every person over here.
G's.
Thank you. Green 30 G's. Okay. All right, man. Bye. Okay.